Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a mascara review. I received this mascara in the post about 2 or 3 days ago. It will be a little bit later by the time this one goes live, and I've tried it once and I loved it. So I'm very excited to share it with you guys, to show you how it performs, and I will check in throughout the day to show you how it's wearing. I'm also at the moment reviewing a foundation that I'm wearing today, so I'm trying to do both of them at the same time and they'll go up separately. I will link it on screen for you if you want to see it, because it's an affordable full coverage foundation. So the mascara I'm going to review today is this one by Lancome. This is the Lash IDOLE, and it is beautiful. The packaging is in this lovely kind of rosy gold tone, and this is the wand. So this is a volumizing mascara by Lancome, and it has a very unique brush. It has 360 micro bristles and 250 different sizes to lift and coat every single lash. You can also see that it is slightly curved, so it does follow the shape of your eye. So let's talk about the actual formula. It is a gel emulsion mascara, which means it's feather light and it doesn't clump. And you can see that the actual formula is super black. What I love about Lancome is that the images that they're using to promote the mascara is actual real lashes. There's no inserts, no fake lashes, but I do feel the images they're using does not do this mascara justice. You can see it looks really fluid and you can see it's coating the lashes, but it doesn't look dry, whereas the images they've used, it does make the mascara look quite dry. So I'm going to do one coat on both eyelashes to show you how easy it is to apply, how it really does separate the lashes. If you've never tried a kind of rubberized comb wand, definitely give it a try. It really is a game changer when it comes to separating your individual lashes. I don't know about you, but I like to coat both sides of my eyelashes. I find that this really does take the mascara all the way to the very tips, because when they grow to their fullest, they're quite long, and I find that the mascara wand always bends them back, so it doesn't always coat the tip. So I find by coating both the front and the back of the eyelash, it really does elongate them. The mascara always sits on the very tips, and then when you apply a second coat, the mascara sits on the end of that mascara and makes them even longer. It does say online that this mascara would last for 24 hours, and I can definitely concur with that. This stays in place until I remove it, and I honestly think if I slept in it, it would look just as good by the morning. If you do get some on your skin, you can see it's so easy to remove with a cotton bud. Just allow it to dry first and then you'll see it just comes off the skin easily. So this is one coat of the mascara. As you can see, all the eyelashes are really separated. It's really beautiful. Obviously you could just do one swipe and then move on. I really like to spend time loading that one coat on, so it really does coat all the lashes. And then I like to leave it just to dry for a few seconds before going in with a second coat. I'm going to show you the second coat because it really is buildable without being clumpy. You'll see that my preference is to have the curved shape following the natural lash line, but it is a 360 wand, so you can absolutely use it either way round. And as you can see, a second coat of mascara doesn't make them clumpy, it just gives an additional amount of volume. I should also mention that this is not a sponsored video. This was gifted to me, but it's absolutely up to me if I want to do it, and I love the mascara, so I thought I would review it. So that's my top lashes done. I don't normally like to wear a mascara on my lower lashes, but I'm going to put some on my lower lashes so you guys can see how it wears, because I know lots of you do wear mascara on your lower eyelashes and some of you have problems with smudging. So I'm going to wear it on my bottom lashes to really put it to the test. It's incredible. The wand is incredible. So I'm only going to put a little bit on because I'm not a massive fan of wearing mascara on my lower lashes. So I'm going to go about my day and I will check in with you guys later to show you how I'm getting on. So the mascara has already been on for nearly 6 hours. The foundation is a massive fail, so if you want to see what to avoid, go and click the tutorial. The mascara is fantastic. It's not moved, it hasn't bled, it hasn't smudged, it's not flaked. It still looks pristine. It's lovely and flexible, doesn't feel stiff. It's not a super expensive mascara, but it isn't a high street one either. I love the wand, I absolutely love the formula. It's so easy to remove. I take a washcloth, put it under warm water, and then I just pinch my lashes until it starts to warm the mascara up, and then it just slides off. It's lovely. So easy to remove, and again, the staying power is fantastic. You can see if I rub my lashes quite vigorously, nothing comes off at all. Nothing's falling down. Can't recommend it enough, and I will link it in the description bar for you. This mascara I can wear all day long until I remove it. I could wear it 24 hours. I could probably sleep in it and it will still look this good tomorrow. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. So I will link it in the description bar if you want to try it for yourself. I'll link it to both UK, worldwide, EU, US, Canada if possible. And you guys can try it out for yourself if you want to. If you've got any questions or anything I've not covered, leave it in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get back to you. If you'd like to see more behind the scenes, you can follow me outside of YouTube on Instagram where I'm most active. There I will show all of the new products that I receive and you guys can there comment if you want to see something over here on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!